welcome back to my channel. That's AnnetMaya. Well, I arrived safely at the University of Manchester and I entered my beautiful room. So I am going to show you how it looks like and what you can find in or what you're gonna find in if you're a student. If you are a student who is planning to join Manchester in the future or joining soon. Yes, I'm staying at one of the beautiful halls that is the Whitworth Park. So let me show you how it looks like in reality. Yeah, so I'm going to go here. I think you can read it's there. Valley House Block Boo. So let's go there, BU or Boo, whatever it is. So I'm going to turn the camera to look the other side so you can see where we're going. So let's climb the ladders together. Oh, look at that. Look at the trees. Oh my god. This is gonna be a great environment for me. I love trees, they make me so happy. Yeah, let's climb. Yeah, this is the main entrance for this block, so let's go in. Oh, look. They have netball. Oh my god, this was part netball 2023. I have to join this. I am going to join this. A netball or Facebook or message. Oh, Lydia, wait for me. I'm coming. Oh my goodness, I love netball. Finally, I can do my game. Yeah, perfect. So let's go in. Let's go in, but quietly. Let's go in quietly. Let's go in quietly. Let's go in quietly. Well, all these are flats. Um, Let me just explain to you when I reach my flat. My flat is number 9. This is number 6. My flat is number 9. Number 9. Number 9, where are you? Oh, I missed it, I think. Number 9, where are you? I think I got lost. I think I got lost. This is number 6. Number 9, where are you? Number 9, where are you? Number 9, where are you? Ooh, here. This is number 9. So all these are flats. And what do I mean by that? These are not rooms, but they're instead flats. So when you open inside, when you enter inside, you will notice that there are various rooms. Slowly. And then this is a mini bathroom. So all these are rooms. And here it is, my room. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. You open slowly. Oh, some darkness. We need light. Boom. Perfect. My room looks like this. I'll just make the camera go around and around and around and around. And then I'll start explaining later on. Yes, so we start from this side. So you see, I have my chair there, and then I have my desk, studying desk. I think this is really well designed. I have some, are they called cupboards down there, and then I have the studying light here, which is really great. And I have this beautiful window and a tree. Oh my god, this is so good. I love it. So whenever I wake up, I see that tree shaking, and that means life to me. So I'll be like, yeah, it has life. I will have life as we exchange gases. I'm silly. Forget that. Yeah, so yeah, from that side we're gonna go here. Yeah, this is where I'll be putting my books, and I think that is really beautiful. I sit here, I just grab the books right from there and I put it here. And then we go here. So that is a bag. I found it inside. I don't know what it will do, but I think it's for garbage. Yeah, garbage. And then this is my bed. So that is my bed, and something I noticed about the room is that you only get the mattress and then the bed. You don't get the bed sheets, you don't get the duvet. This is actually opposite to the first two dormitories that I have stayed in at two different universities. That is in Tsukuba University and at Oxford University. I'll be explaining to you all the differences in a different video, so we don't have to go into that. And then, well, that's the my entrance and the exit. And those are my suitcases. I just arrived, and this is the cute cupboard. Oh my god! Look at it! Look at it! Look at it! Let's open it. Let's see what's inside here. Nobody's here. Hello. Nobody's here. Come on, Annette. Ooh, there's a mirror. We love this. Oh, so I'll put on my outfits and I'll have a mirror. I don't have to go to the bathroom. I'll be here looking at how, how I have looked so nice in my outfits. And that's amazing. Yeah, with my beautiful shape. Well, oh, good. This is good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. High level thing. Oh, how can I show it to you fully? This might help. Yeah, wow, 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 wow. This is so, so beautiful. And then I have this heating system, this one, which is functioning so properly. My room is warm. It's been warm since night, and that's really great. I think the winter is not yet intense. It's cold, but not that intense, so it's really good because I hate winters. That's all. That's how my room looks like. Guys, thank you so much for coming along. I will check what's in here. Oh, ooh, yes, so good. I have a lot of storage, and that's really great because I love it. Ooh, wow. The window. Oh my god. Yeah, I think that's all, guys. I think it's really, really nice. It's enough for me. I'm so used to tiny rooms, so it's enough. It's a single room, cheap, and then yeah. Well, it doesn't have a sink, but it's okay. The furniture looks so so nice, and I have enough space for my books, for my clothes, and yeah. So that's how it looks like, guys. I hope, I can, show you the entire room from outside, but I think I'll have to get a picture from this angle. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to follow me. I'll be talking about my journey to Manchester, how I got here, the scholarships I got, and everything. So don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye. And for those who don't know me, my name is Annette. Yes, I'm new to Manchester. So if you find me outside, don't be like, who is this person vlogging all the time? Yes, that's me, Annette. Yeah, I'm joining in. I'm a PhD candidate and I'm focusing on cancer sciences. So nice to meet you, my Manchesterians.